Discover latest AI project for document interaction, voice cloning and generation, and creation of stunning visual animations and more. Let's begin by introducing TenAgent, the world's first real-time AI agent integrated with OpenAI Real-Time API and RTC. Recently, OpenAI released its Real-Time API, which simply enables you to create multi-model applications which will work in real time with the power of OpenAI Real-Time API, which tries to lower the latency and to improve the user's experience. A lot of tooling and new frameworks are appearing around that, including TenAgent. This framework, which they say that it's the world's first real-time multimodal agent integrated with the OpenAI Real-Time API. Now they also provide some instructions to get it installed locally. If you install it locally, you would need multiple API keys from I think at least 3 different providers, and that is all paid option. This powerful tool unlocks ultra-low latency and high-performance interactions, setting a new standard for dynamic, responsive AI. With TenAgent, enjoy seamless multimodal experiences across platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, even mobile, supported by flexible edge cloud integration for privacy and performance. Whether you're building complex AI applications with drag and drop simplicity or managing real-time agent behaviors, TenAgent makes it all possible. Now we're diving into F5 TTS, a text-to-speech technology that's taking voice cloning to the next level. Imagine capturing the essence of a voice in just 10 seconds. That's all F5 TTS needs to recreate your voice or any other input voice you choose. Over the years, we've seen plenty of promises for voice cloning from other platforms, claiming they can pull it off with just 3 to 5 seconds of audio. But let's be real, those results were usually more of a rough approximation, not quite hitting the mark. F5 TTS, on the other hand, is pushing the boundaries and getting closer to quality you'd expect from the big names like 11 Labs. While there's still room for improvement in natural conversational flow, what sets F5 TTS apart is its impressive range of emotional expression. It's not just a static voice. This tool can blend emotions, making the output feel alive and even better suited for a variety of applications. Plus, it comes with a podcast generation feature, riding the wave of a podcasting boom we're all seeing right now. For now, F5 TTS works across 2 languages, English and Chinese. Now, you can check the link in description, having the guide video on our channel that can walk you through everything F5 TTS can do. Now we will be looking at a new type of copilot, one that's tailored specifically for data interaction. Meet PandasAI, the copilot that makes data more accessible, interactive, and intuitive. While we've seen copilots that assist with coding or content generation, PandasAI is designed to help you chat with your data in various other formats. This open source project combines the power of large language models and retrieval, augmented generation to transform how you work with data. It's as simple as having a conversation, and the possibilities are impressive. Imagine PandasAI as a Python library that lets you use natural language to queue up data tasks. Whether you're working with CSVs, Excel files, SQL databases, or even Snowflake, PandasAI can help you query, cleanse, and analyze data effortlessly. From creating visualizations like bar charts and graphs to generating insights and analytics, this copilot has you covered. PandasAI not only saves you time, but also boosts your efficiency and simplifies complex data processes. It's entirely free to access, too. Currently, you can join the waitlist to access their upcoming cloud platform or dive right in by installing it locally via pip or Poetry. You can even try it out directly in your browser through Google Colab. Now let's explore Manim, the animation engine designed to bring math, science, and programming concepts to life. Manim, short for Mathematical Animation Engine, is an open-source library that makes it easy to create stunning, dynamic visuals for educational content. With Manim, you can animate math functions, geometric shapes, graphs, and much more, all through Python code. This tool has become a go-to for educators and creators who want to make complex ideas accessible and visually engaging. Whether you're working on 3D plots, text animations, or intricate transformations, Manim provides endless possibilities to enhance your presentations or videos. It's free, flexible, and widely supported by a dedicated community. Let's explore some awesome examples and animations created. Meet Kotaemon, the open-source, customizable, retrieval-augmented generation user interface built to help you chat with your documents efficiently. Kotaemon offers a clean, minimalist interface designed for retrieval, augmented generation question answering on documents, making it easy for both end users and developers to interact with complex data. With support for various large language models, including OpenAI, Azure OpenAI Cohere, and local models through Ollama and Llama, Kotaemon is flexible and user-friendly. It also has a quick, easy installation process, so you can get started right away. For developers, Kotaemon serves as a framework to build your own retrieval augmented generation-based document question answering pipeline. It's fully customizable and features a Gradio-based UI that brings your RAG pipeline to life, complete with a custom Gradio theme. Whether you're a user looking for a seamless QA experience or a developer building a custom pipeline, Kotaemon is the tool to simplify and enhance document handling. Introducing Suria, a comprehensive tool for optical character recognition and document layout analysis designed for accuracy and versatility. Surya excels as an open-source solution for optical character recognition, supporting more than 90 languages with a level of accuracy that competes with top cloud-based services. But Surya is much more than a standard text recognition tool. It provides advanced features for in-depth document analysis, optical character recognition, In over 90 languages, Surya performs highly accurate text recognition across a broad range of languages, offering a powerful alternative to costly cloud-based solutions. Line-level text detection accurately identifies and captures text at the line level in any language, ensuring precision across even the most complex document layouts. Layout analysis detects and distinguishes different elements in a document, such as tables, images, and headers, to give a clear understanding of the document structure. Reading order detection organizes content in a logical reading sequence, preserving the intended flow of information, which is crucial for accurate data extraction and presentation. Table recognition identifies rows and columns within tables, accurately capturing structured data without losing its context. With these comprehensive capabilities, Surya is the ideal tool for handling multilingual documents, structured layouts, and complex document formats. Say goodbye to expensive optical character recognition subscriptions and discover Surya's full potential for precise and accessible document processing. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get the more recent AI advances. Leave a comment below if you want to see a detailed tutorial about any tools and its corresponding installation steps. See you next time.